Hey everyone, welcome back to Zakai Tech. Today, we are taking a close look at an all-in-one entry-level keyboard package designed for beginner practice, music learning, and home education, the HERTMUN 6 1961 Key Portable Electric Keyboard Piano Kit. If you're looking for an affordable starter kit complete with customizable tones, rhythm backing tracks, built-in recording functions, and a bundled keyboard stand, let's break down everything this system offers. 1. 61 key layout and sound customization. The HERTMUN 619 features a standard 61 key layout designed to introduce new players to music theory, scales, and two-handed arrangements. Tone and rhythm control offers customizable sound presets and rhythms spanning various genres, from classical to pop, allowing students to experiment with different arrangements. Built-in demo tracks and percussion. Ships with pre-recorded demo songs for ear training, along with dedicated percussion sound banks and drum kits for adding rhythmic backing layers. 2. Integrated practice tools, record and playback. Designed to act as a self-guided learning tool for daily practice sessions. Onboard performance recorder, built-in record function captures live playing and allows instant playback. Self-evaluation and layering. Enables students to review timing, track progress over time, or practice playing lead lines over pre-recorded rhythm tracks. 3. Complete starter kit with stand and portability. Includes core structural hardware so beginners don't need to purchase extra accessories. Adjustable keyboard stand, comes bundled with an adjustable metal stand to set up the keyboard at an ergonomic height for sitting or standing. Portable frame. Lightweight enclosure design makes it easy to move between bedrooms, classrooms, or outdoor family gatherings. Holiday and gift ready, configured as a turnkey package for birthdays, holidays, or first-time instrument gifts. Feature specification. Model HERTMUN 619. Key count 61 keys, portable electric keyboard. Sound customization, multi-genre tones, backing rhythms and percussion banks. Practice tools, built-in demo songs, record and playback functionality. Hardware included height-adjustable keyboard stand. Target audience, beginner students, kids, home learners. Overall, the HERTMUN 6 1961 Key Keyboard Kit is a simple, practical starter bundle that delivers essential learning tools, built-in recording, and a dedicated stand in a budget-friendly package. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, share your beginner instrument questions in the comments below, and subscribe to Zakai Tech for more keyboard reviews, audio gear tests, and consumer tech showcases. Thanks for watching.